Viewers, namaste. We all Punekars, we have heard about ring roads. In majority of the stories, our forefathers, our parents have discussed with us in all these time were somewhere connected to the Pune traffic. And these all stories will have a solution. And perhaps the solution has come to us. It has reached us. And the solution is in terms of the Pune ring road. The famous Pune ring road, 170-kilometer patch. The official inauguration by Government of Maharashtra is expected anytime in coming days. However, the resources who actually does the groundwork, they have to start it much before from the official announcement, official inauguration. And this is being the first patch of historic Pune ring road of 170 kilometers. The first patch which is being done, it's by Roadway Infra Solutions
Limited.
Roadway
Solution India Infra Limited.
Roadway Solutions India Infra
Limited.
Limited. Mr. Amit Gadok is with us, and he's the person who is, I would say, managing the first patch of it, and this is around 25 kilometers. So, what would you say? And this is pretty non-plain. How would you make it the plain ring road for Pune to ease the traffic?
Thank you, everybody. This is the first patch that we are trying to start. This is package E4. E4 is basically part of the eastern part of the expressway. There are two parts. There is western and eastern. The work orders were all awarded before the elections came in. After code, this is the first patch that we are trying to start. This is package E4. E4 is basically part of the eastern of conduct. We are allowed to start working in getting the camp set up, even acquiring the land that has already been there, the CNG and all the other works, which we are planning to start from maybe today, this evening, and move forward. So it's good for Punekars to at least get a ring road finally coming, which has been, I think I've myself from childhood I've been hearing on it. So it's time that
Most of us.
it's time that we need the thing, the traffic congestions and all will move. And let's hope that in the next 2.5 years, Punekars will be using this ring road into the best of its ability.
Amit, generally it is understood that Udghatan, inauguration, these things happen on time. But when it comes to completion, in majority of the cases, there is no finite date. Any idea by what time this particular patch, which you have been doing, your team have been doing, will be completed?
See, let's take an example of the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway. It was done one of the fastest way possible, the Samudri Mahamad. We were part of it. We did package 7 at that point of time. And I know MSRDC is very dedicated to get this work moving and completed. And I feel, looking at the planning and everything that has gone behind and under the leadership of Sri Anil Kumar Gaikwad, I think we will be able to finish this project in less than 3 years. And most of it will also start in maybe 2.5 years. Sections will start, maybe the tunnel and other places. And as long as the land acquisition and the farmers and everything and locals support us, I think we can, in 2.5 years, it's very easy that this road can be completed with all due support.
So 2.5 years. I can see all the new brand machines here, excavators. So generally people come with the used or pre-used machines, but how come number of machines which are standing besides us,
No, this is just,
all new brand?
This is just a fraction of the machines. So the machines will come in. There will be a lot of local involvement. There will be local excavators will come in. So this is just the start of the project. So it's always good to start with something new and get all the good vibes technically to execute the work. And we are here to take the bonus this time to complete this project way ahead of schedule. And I think under the guidance of the new Chief Minister and whoever takes over as the government of Maharashtra, if they support us with all the financial requirements and all the land acquisition and give us all the basic support that we require for the project, and I think
Certainly it is connected to that.
it's all linked to each and everything, and we all are part of it. So if the locals also come in and help us to whatever it is, obviously they also get benefit. There'll be work, there'll be employment, there'll be other things that will move around in this project, and it'll be a big boost for Pune as a total, and then obviously the traffic will ease out to the basic core.
Any specific expectations from the locals, localites, politicians, Maharashtra government?
Actually, I am the only contractor who's registered in Maharashtra. All the others are going to come from outside. So I say I'm one of the most local person
You're
possible.
Punekar.
Yeah, I'm a Punekar. So for me, this is a
A
dream
Satarkar
project.
who is now Punekar.
And yeah, I mean, being a Punekar, obviously, it's a dream thing come true that I'm one of the first people to mobilize and to start the project. And I'm blessed that we've got this project, and let's hope we can deliver to Punekar as fast as possible.
Wonderful. Thank you for speaking to Punekar News and all the
Pleasure,
best.
Pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
So, viewers, we just spoke to Mr. Amit Gadok, who is at the leadership position, business side of Roadway Infra Limited, and they are starting this project right today as far as their work is concerned. However, in coming time, there will be official inauguration of complete ring road by Maharashtra government. For Punekar News, T. K. Shekhar.